So I've been pretty busy for past couple of days, and this is the little project that I'm doing. So if you can see, uh, I have removed all the sod. uh, I definitely had some help, right? So it's not that easy to do it all one person. And I did some sprinklers. You can see one sprinkler head here, so I have a couple of the sprinkler heads all around. So I had to make a trench over here to the sidewalk, under the sidewalk, and make a sprinkler head over here, and also another one here. But the big project, right? Look at that. So and now the backyard as well. So all I kept is my beautiful evergreen tree. So this is the one that I'm keeping. The rest of the trees that I had, like fruit tree and so on, I just got rid of them, right? And yeah, so over there I'm gonna have a flower box, and I'm gonna have another flower box on the other side of the house. So this is what's been keeping me busy for the past couple of days, and I didn't have any time to go for a ride or anything like that. Anyway, so it's almost done, and just the only thing is left now is just put the new sod in. I might go for Kentucky bluegrass. Yeah, I'm gonna be busy for a couple of months, I guess. But look, I'm happy. So now I have a sprinkler system, so that I don't need to spend hours and hours with a portable sprinkler to move it around. So I had to put a booster pump for the whole house. I also have a smart sensor or a smart controller downstairs in the basement, so I can control or turn the sprinklers on and off at any time from anywhere. It's connected to the Wi-Fi. And yeah, that's gonna be it. Let's see, maybe I'm gonna get back to you guys and show you how it looks like when the new sod is in, right? Thank you for watching.